Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare Besan Chilla. So to prepare this recipe, the ingredients that we require are, here I have taken 100 grams of besan, that is gram flour, half capsicum finely chopped, little bit of fresh coriander leaves, 1 tomato medium size finely chopped, 1 green chili finely chopped, 1 big onion finely chopped. Here I have taken half a teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of saunf, that is fennel seeds. So there are two different kinds of seeds here. Jeera, this one, and this is the fennel seeds. Salt we'll use as per our taste. Oil. So now let's get started. The first step, we will add all these vegetables here in the basin. So let's start with the onion, green chili, capsicum, then we have the tomatoes, coriander leaves, add the seeds. The saunf will give a lovely flavor, friends. The fennel seeds, add salt, and we will use water to mix it. Now we will add little water. We will mix it. Mix everything. We'll make it into a paste, nice and smooth batter. Now we have heated a pan, so I will grease it with oil. And then now, with the help of a deep spoon, I'm going to spread the batter. This is my batter, friends, and this is the correct consistency of the batter. So now I'm going to spread this in the pan. Make sure the pan is heated properly. We will cook on both the sides. First let the one side get cooked. So we'll leave it for a minute like this. So now we will turn the chilla the other side. And we will cook this side also for a minute over high flame. So here, friends, this chilla is ready from both the sides. It's nicely done. So we will take it out in a plate. We'll repeat the same procedure for the rest of these batters and make more chillas. So here, friends, my second chilla is also on the pan. So friends, here is our chillas ready, besan chillas. I have made 4 chillas out of 100 grams of gram flour, that is besan. I am serving it with green chutney. Very simple chutney friends, prepared at home with dhaniya patta, garlic cloves, chili, chaat masala and lemon. Very simple and easy to prepare. So you can also prepare this chutney and serve it with the chillas. Children would love to savor this with tomato ketchup, so you can also serve it with tomato ketchup. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.